Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making candle covers. These are so easy to do. You can customize these any way you want, and all you need is a printer and some vellum paper. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. The first thing I do is get out my vellum paper and load the printer. And since I'm doing this for 2 candles, I'll only need 2 pieces of the vellum. I went to Google Images and I found a picture of a pumpkin that I liked. And I saved it to my desktop. All you have to do is right click it and save it. Now I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to do the page setup. And I want landscape. And I'm going to keep hitting enter until it gets pretty far down. And I'm going to center it. And this is my word. I don't know what version you have. So I'm sure you can figure it out. But I'm going to go down here to insert picture. I'm going to my desktop. And I've got the clip art pumpkin, and I'm going to insert that. And that is entirely too big, so I'm going to shrink it down by grabbing the end. Well, you click on the picture, grab the corner, and just pull it down. And then I'm going up here to the print preview, and you can see that's way too high. I want this down towards the bottom. So close that. And just keep hitting enter until it gets down there. Okay, let's look at the print preview again. It's still a little high. That's pretty good, but I think it's still a little big. So I may shrink it down a little more because the candles aren't that big. Print preview needs to get down a little more. Oops, I think I got it too far. Yes, I did. So I'm just going to go back. And that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the file and I'm going to tell it to print. And I want 2 copies because I have 2 candles. Tell it OK. Okay, now it needs to dry. You can always personalize these by putting words and sayings in. I'm choosing to leave it plain. because I can use it through Thanksgiving. I can use it for Halloween if I just leave it plain. I usually let these dry for about 10 to 15 minutes just because of the finish on the paper. It's slick, so it does take longer to dry. But once I have it dried, I'm going to put it up against the candle and decide how high up I need it. The candle, let's see, the lowest part of this is right here. So I'm going to mark it just by pressing my thumb on it and giving a little fold. And I'm going to fold it over and then cut it off. Okay, I folded it over and I'm holding it up next to the candle and it is not going over the top. So that's where I'm going to cut it, just below where it's folded so you don't see the fold. Okay, I have it all cut. I wrapped it around and I added a piece of Scotch tape here and a piece here. And that's going to hold it in place and make it easy to take off. And what if you don't have a picture that you want to put on your vellum? I did this one with stickers for winter. And that just went around it and I taped it, and yeah, that's all ready for winter. And I've been doing these for years. There's Valentine's Day. There's one for St. Patty's Day. And I have that one. One for Easter. This one's for Thanksgiving. And although I like the way this is, I cut a piece of orange tissue paper to sit behind it, and it gives it a totally different look. And you can do any holiday. You can just use your imagination. You can do anything you want. But these are my candle covers. And I store them in one of these plastic zip bags that I got at the Dollar Tree. And they're ready to go anytime I want to change them out. Okay, there they are in place. I love changing these up for every holiday and the different seasons. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.